Hello, good morning, children. Suprabhat मुलांनो. Today's day is Friday, date 17th of July 2020. आजचा वार शुक्रवार दिनांक 17 जुलै 2020. Thought for the day is: one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. आजचा सुविचार: एखादी सकाळी सकारात्मक ऐकलेली गोष्ट आपला पूर्ण दिवस चांगला घडवू शकते. Importance of the day is: Modi script was printed in the year 1802. Modi script used to write the Marathi language in the state of Maharashtra. Modi was an official script used to write Marathi until the 20th century. The British era is the final stage of the Modi script. From 1917, the Bombay Presidency decided to replace the Modi script with the Balbhut style of Devanagari. आजचा दिनविशेष: मोडी लिपीचे प्रथम मुद्रण 1802. मोडी लिपी 13व्या शतकापासून 20व्या शतकाच्या मध्यापर्यंत मराठी भाषेच्या लेखनाची लिपी होती, परंतु छपाईस अवघड असल्यामुळे या लिपीचा वापर मागे पडला आणि बाळबोध लिपीचा वापर सार्वत्रिक होऊ लागला. बाळबोध म्हणजेच देवनागरी आपली मातृभाषा मराठी. मोडी ही उर्दू भाषेप्रमाणे हात न उचलता लिहित असत. जनरल नॉलेज: नेम्स ऑफ सम स्क्रिप्ट्स: देवनागरी, उर्दू, तेलुगू, मल्याळम, लॅटिन. सामान्य ज्ञान: काही लिपींची नावे: देवनागरी लिपी, तेलुगू, मल्याळम आणि लॅटिन. व्हॅल्यू: युनिटी इन डायव्हर्सिटी, मूल्य विविधतेतून एकता. ॲक्टिव्हिटी: राईट फ्यू लाईन्स ऑन माय सेल्फ इन देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट मीन्स मराठी. आजचा उपक्रम: स्वतःविषयी 5 वाक्ये देवनागरी लिपीत म्हणजेच मराठीत लिहा किंवा सांगा. नाव इट्स स्टोरी टाईम. नेम ऑफ द स्टोरी इज द प्राऊड रोज. वन्स अपॉन अ टाईम in a desert there was a rose who was so proud of her beautiful looks. Her only complaint was growing next to an ugly cactus. Every day the beautiful rose would insult the cactus, but the cactus stayed quiet. All the other plants in the garden tried to stop the rose from bullying the cactus, but the rose was too swayed by its own beauty to listen anyone. One summer, a well in the garden dried up and there was no water for the plants. The rose slowly began to wilt. The rose saw a sparrow dip its beak into the cactus for some water. The rose then felt ashamed for having made fun of the cactus all this time. But because in need of water, it went to ask the cactus if it could have some water. The kind cactus agreed and they both got through summer as friends. So, moral of the story is: never judge anyone by their looks. Thank you.